In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add all candlestick patterns, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get every major candlestick pattern to automatically show up on your Tradingview chart, so you can spot signals without manually scanning every candle. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you've opened any chart you want to work with. This can be a stock, forex pair, crypto, or any other asset. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles, move your attention to the top of the screen. Up there, you'll find a button labeled Indicators. This is where all of Tradingview's built-in tools and scripts live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do, a search window will pop up. This might feel a bit overwhelming if you're new, because there are a lot of options inside, but we're going to keep it very simple. In the search bar at the top of that window, type the word patterns. Make sure you spell it correctly, and you should immediately see a list of results related to different pattern tools and scripts. Among those results, look for the one called All Candlestick Patterns. This is the built-in Tradingview indicator that automatically scans your chart for common candlestick formations, such as hammers, engulfing patterns, dojis, and more. Once you've located it in the list, simply click on All Candlestick Patterns one time. After you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart right away. You'll start to see labels or small markers appearing above or below certain candles, identifying the specific pattern the software has detected. If your chart looks a bit cluttered, you can always adjust the settings by hovering over the indicator name at the top of the chart and opening its settings panel. From there, you can customize which patterns you want to see, change colors, or tweak the display to match your style. Using this indicator doesn't replace your own analysis, but it speeds things up dramatically. Instead of manually checking every candle, you let Tradingview highlight areas of interest, and then you can zoom in and decide whether the pattern fits your trading plan. If you want to take your charting to the next level, with additional features and more indicators running at the same time, consider upgrading to Tradingview Pro using the affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gives you access to a smoother, more powerful charting experience. That's all you need to do to add all candlestick patterns on Tradingview quickly and easily.